Growing up, I always had an engineering mind. I used to spend time in the garage with my dad, soldering wires together, putting together electrical schematics. And when I was 16 years old, I took my first introductory flight lesson and started becoming a pilot at the age of 16. Hi, my name is Kiah Erlich, and I'm Senior Director for the Engines and Power Systems business. What this means is spending a lot of time with customers, figuring out what their critical needs are and how we go solve those needs, whether it's through our technology and software, or our technology and the mechanical piece with our engines and our power systems. Within engines and power systems, we're at a pinnacle point in the aviation industry. With all the new introduction of software, technology, the era of connected, the biggest challenge is figuring out how do we take all of this new technology and apply it to something like an engine, and making the life easier not only for the pilot, but the aircraft maintainers as well. Honeywell recently launched a new internet connectivity product called JetWave. Our JetWave system enables passengers to have really fast Wi-Fi, best in the industry. Most of the time people think of internet connectivity just being for the passengers, but actually it's a crucial piece of the entire airline operations, from the pilot who is using an iPad in the cockpit to pull up relevant real-time weather information, to the maintainer who's actually getting real-time information off of the engine from the aircraft while it's in flight. I definitely got a taste of challenge within STEM when I was just in college. I actually had a professor tell me that the only place a woman had in an airplane was in the back serving drinks. At that time, I was already a pilot. I couldn't believe it. I decided from that day I was going to show him wrong, and I was going to go pursue a career in STEM and show all the boys that us girls can do it too. Connectivity is changing the world, and that's truly the power of connected.